Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful floral motif titled Scallop Flower Motif. So let us go into the video without much delay. It is done with two colors. Make a magic ring. And place 18 double crochets into the magic ring totally. So the first one may be chain 3 and then 17 more double crochets, or first one can be a standing twisted double crochet. So number 1 is done. Let me mark my top of the first DC that I have done because it will go and hide behind. Now place 17 double crochets into the magic ring and get back. So I shall make 17 more. Totally I'll require 18 double crochets in the ring. I have placed 18 double crochets in all in the magic ring. Now it's time to slip stitch and fasten off. So I shall slip stitch, fasten off and get back with the second color. Now join color B to any of the on top of any double crochet. You can make a standing single crochet here because we need to make a single crochet here. So slip knot and insert the hook onto any of the double crochets that you have done. Hold the yarn and complete the single crochet here. Chain 3 now. Skip 2 double crochets and place a single crochet in the next double crochet. Again chain 3, skip 2, place a single crochet onto the next. So complete the entire round in this manner. Totally you will have 6 chain spaces, 6 3 chain spaces. Continue the round and complete it. I shall get back to you. We've come to the last of the stitches here. So chain 3 and slip stitch to the first single crochet here that we made. And now we are going to work the petals. The petals consist of 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double and 1 single, all in the chain 3 space. So make a single crochet in the chain 3 space. So we need not make the slip stitch and chain 1 and do it. That will create a weird effect there. So 1 half double crochet next, 3 double crochets, one half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So again work the same number of stitches in the next chain 3 space, single. I'll make this 1 half double over. 3 single crochets, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So this is how we create the petals. So complete the stitches on the other 4 chain 3 spaces also. I shall get back when I complete. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch and join and slip stitch into the next 3 stitches so that you reach the center DC of the next petal. So in this center, make a single crochet, now chain 8, single crochet on the center double crochet of the next petal. So continue this, chain 8, single crochet. So you should have 6 sets of chain 8 and 6 sets of single crochets. Complete the round, I shall get back. We've come to the end of the row here, round here, sorry. Now chain 8, slip stitch, join and fasten off, get back with color A. I shall also slip stitch, fasten off, get back with color A. Join color A in any of the chain 8 spaces, join with a standing single crochet at the end of this beginning of this chain 8, so that it gives a very neat finish. I have joined and made my first single crochet here, and this chain space is going to have several different types of stitches. You're going to have to place 3 half double crochets. These same stitches are repeated in every other chain 8 space. 1, 2, 3 and 5 double crochets. Yes, and again 3 half double crochets. And finally a single crochet. So every chain 8 space is going to have these set of stitches. So complete the set of stitches in each of the other 7 chain 8 spaces and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now it's time to slip stitch, join and fasten off. I shall slip stitch, join and fasten off and get back to you. Here we go. Here we have the scallop flower motif. Completed it. Hope you like this video, friends. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and please click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like our videos and share them too so that it reaches the maximum number of people all over the world. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. I shall meet you again.